Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting right now. Make sure your device is online and you're signed into the correct Apple ID so changes apply. On iPhone or iPad, open Settings, on Mac, open System Settings and click your name. Scroll to iCloud and review the list: Photos, Contacts, Drive, Keychain, and App toggles. You need to know which services are actively syncing because turning off sync for one can leave others intact. Once you've identified them, proceed to selectively disable or fully sign out. Now you'll stop syncing service by service. Tap each iCloud toggle to switch it off. When prompted, choose whether to keep a local copy or remove iCloud data from this device. Do this for Photos, iCloud Drive, Contacts, Calendars, and Notes as needed. On Mac OS, open iCloud Drive options and uncheck Desktop and Documents if you don't want those folders uploaded. Make sure to wait a moment for the system to process each change. Rapid toggling can cause conflicts, so finish one change before starting the next. To fully halt iCloud syncing, sign out of iCloud on the device after you've saved any local copies you need. This severs the sync relationship. Restart the device and verify that photos, files, and contacts no longer update across devices. If syncing still appears, make sure you're signed into the correct Apple ID, confirm iCloud storage isn't actively restoring, and check your internet connection. If problems continue, sign back in briefly to toggle settings off again, or contact Apple support for account-level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.